Hey y'all, my name is Skylar Baldwin. I'm from South Mississippi. I attend Mississippi State University where I'm majoring in biochemistry and will begin my sophomore year in the fall. I'm here at Oklahoma State University with the Summer REEU program where my project is working with pecans across the state of Oklahoma. What we're looking for is nitrogen contents, carbohydrate contents, and we also measure the nuts and compare that with the heat units for that specific location so that we can correlate the two and decide, okay, if you've had this many heat unit days, this is about what you can expect from your pecans. What we're looking to do with that is include that in the Mesonet, which is Oklahoma State's resource for all across the state for different various information. What we're doing today is we're taking our pecans that we took today in Perkins, Oklahoma. We're cutting them open. We're deciding how big the ovule is, the expansion rate, and of course, measuring. What we're doing with that, especially with the expansion rate, with pecans, once they reach about 50% expansion rate, you can start shaking your trees to get a nut drop. This increases the crop yield for the year, and it also protects next year's crops. What we do with that, or to do that, is we have a special tool here that is digital. We slide it, we measure the pecan very easily, just like this. You do it, we input the data into our laptops. That goes into everything we've done this summer. Then we cut them open, we take pictures, we also weigh them and do a displacement test. And with our nitrogen and carbohydrate, what we're hoping to do, unfortunately in the state of Oklahoma, there's been about a 3 million pound drop over the past couple years, and we're trying to figure out why that is. We test nitrogen in the leaves to determine if there has been a drop from this year to next year, because this is a 3-year project. And then with carbohydrates, we take a current season, a 1-year-old and a 2-year-old sample, and we measure the carbohydrates from each thing. And that way we can see, okay, this year it had X amount of carbohydrates, but this year it only had X amount. That way we can really set up our future of the project. We know what's going on in our plants, and we can help our producers not only increase their crop yield, but potentially grow better trees. Being from Mississippi, going all the way out here to Oklahoma has been a big change in my life, but the people here at Oklahoma State and with the REEU program have made that transition very easy for me. I have loved every minute of being here. Working with Miss Becky and Dr. Lou Zhang, they have made this experience the best I possibly could have even dreamed about. I highly recommend it for anyone, and I'm so thankful that I was chosen to be a part of this opportunity.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.